Now we'll work on the third check, which is to calculate the coefficient of determination r square. As I have shown you in the first check how you could get the value of the r square, but now we'll work it out to see if we match what we got on the Excel sheet. So let's start working. So at first I have written the formula for the r square, where we have s sub t minus s sub r divided by s sub t, and the formula for s sub r you already know, we have already got our value for that. And for the s sub t, the formula I have written it down. So you have the summation from I is equal to 1 till n, the amplitude, each amplitude minus the average of the amplitudes, all of them squared. So let's start working on this now. So first let me write down or copy paste the values of the AI that I wrote previously. Okay, and then what I can do is I can work now to get these values here, AI minus A mean. So first let me find out the mean of A then. So for the mean of A, we need to sum this all up here. So we need to sum this all up here. So summation from I is equal to 1 till n, or you can say n is, we have 5 data points of all the AI. So we sum them all up and we divide it by n, which is equal to 5, right? So that's the A mean or average, which is equal to 0.309754. Okay, I hope you're not confused with my 3 here. So okay, so now we'll take each of these values here, each of these values in the AI, and we'll subtract from it the A bar, that is 0.309754. So let's write that here. So we have the AI minus the A bar. So those values will be minus 2.39295. Then we have minus 1.43535. Then we have 1.637646. Then we have minus 0.12598 and 2.31646. So now we need to square these values here. So AI minus A bar squared. So we square each value now, which will give us 5.726229. Then we have 2.060241. Then we have 2.681884. 0.015872, and then we have 5.366849. And as you can see from the S sub t formula here, we need the summation of all these values here. So the summation will be equal to 15.85108. Alright, so now we know that S sub t is equal to 15.85108, and then we can calculate the r squared now. So we have here S sub t, which is 15.85108 minus S sub r, which we got previously in the second check, and the value was 4.3401. We divide this by S sub t again, which is 15.85108, and this gives us the value 0.7262, right? So this, yes, it's the same as we have seen in the first check. And now this value here, you can say, I would like to write it here maybe, so commenting based on this one here, this value here. So you can say approximately 73% of the data can be represented by the regression model or the regressed model. So this is very low, and because it's very low, it's not adequate. So you can say that this is low. Or you can say maybe not this, but we can say coefficient of determination. Coefficient of determination is low, so it is not adequate. That's the end of third check.